Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about the PolyKit Duo by Craig Barnes. It's a DIY Juno-style polyphonic analog synthesizer based on analog circuitry and controlled by Raspberry Pis. The cool thing is that it's open source and has pretty good documentation on GitHub. Let's look at some of the key features. It's digitally controlled oscillators, similar design to the Roland Juno series with dual Raspberry Pi Picos. It has dual DCO with Sawtooth and PWM waveforms and has individual mixing of each. As multipole filters based on the Oberheim Matrix 12, as dual LFOs for PWM and the main synth with a main LFO with 16 waveforms, and there's also a PWM LFO sine wave. 6 voice polyphony with dual DCOs per voice. Aftertouch control with DCO LFO depth, filter LFO depth, or filter cutoff. Log and line envelopes. It's velocity sensitive for filters and amplifiers. Analog course similar to the Juno 60. We all love that analog course, you know. There's 999 memory locations to store patches, and it has MIDI in, out, through. So because it is a DIY project, it is difficult to judge the price and availability. The parts seem to be pretty available, especially post chip shortage. And when it comes to price, it really depends on what you have and if you have to buy any more kit. I know the Raspberry Pis go for like $4 each, and you need like a couple of them, so that's pretty cheap. But the most intensive thing would be the labor to build something like this. What are your thoughts on the PolyKit Duo or the advancement of the PolyKit Duo? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching.